Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can make an image or photo black and white in Affinity Designer in 2026. So let us get started. Head over to your document or design on Canva, sorry, not Canva, but Affinity of course. And what you want to do next is place your image. I will go with this one here. Let me zoom in. So to make it black and white, left click into it to select it. Next, click into Pixel at the top. After that, hover your mouse over New Adjustment Layer, and here scroll down till you get to the black and white filter. You may also use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-Shift-B for that. And then guys, you will see that default black and white filter applied, but you can of course customize it here by using these sliders here and increase some of these colors or decrease them. Yeah, to increase or to decrease the black and white effect. You can also change the opacity here if you like, moving that slider, right? So the black and white effect will then become a little bit more transparent if you decrease the opacity of the image or the colors. And that's how it works, guys. Let me close that. And yeah, that's a black and white photo. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.